Hi everyone, it's Morgan. You may or may not have heard, but Mr. Beast just came out with his own chocolate bars, which I do have here, and we are going to be trying those today. Mr. Beast is a YouTube legend, and he came out with chocolate bars in 3 flavors. We have an original chocolate, a quinoa crunch, which I believe is his favorite, and an almond chocolate bar. They are made with only 4 base ingredients. There's natural sugarcane, cocoa bean, cocoa butter, and sunflower lecithin, I believe is how you say it. They're created by experts. They use organic ingredients, no artificial flavors, ingredients you can pronounce, it says, and they are delicious AF. However, of course with him, he did this with kind of a twist, which involves a chocolate factory and a $1 million sweepstakes spectacular. And $1 million in other prizes, of course. I'll link the website, of course, but basically he says that 10 random people will be selected and flown somewhere to compete in his chocolate factory. In addition to that, he is giving away $1 million in special other prizes like cash, jet skis, I don't know, all these crazy things. So we're gonna start. The first chocolate bar I am going to start with is the original chocolate. Start off on a fresh note, you know. So here is the packaging. Here's what it looks like. I do think it's pretty cute, not gonna lie. But the first thing I have to do is scan my little code and see if I want anything. Again, it explains this all on the website, but basically I have to peel this little sticker off. There's a code on here. I'm gonna scan the QR code on my candy bar. Gotta enter in that email. You have to enter in like your name and birthday and everything. You know what's crazy? I found out that he's literally 2 weeks older than me. That's it. I had no idea. Entering code now. And I will submit. Spin the wheel. Let's see if I win anything. I won a Mr. Beast merch bundle. I don't know if that means that he actually sends me a t-shirt. I mean, I had to enter in my address, but he basically wants you to share this with everyone, which obviously, you know, makes sense. Cool. Okay. Now let's try the actual candy. See if it's any good. Okay, like I said, first is original chocolate. Smells good. Smells like dark chocolate. I'm pretty sure they did use dark chocolate. Ooh, this is cute. One side says share, one side says devour. That's adorable. So you can like break this piece off if you want to share it. Here goes nothing. We'll see that. That's pretty darn good. There is 170 calories in half of the bar, because 1 bar is 2 servings. It has a pretty rich flavor, but it's not overbearing. I feel like if you're craving chocolate, like a couple bites of this and you would be satisfied. It's very smooth and just nice. The texture's great, rich in flavor, but not too rich. I am more of a milk chocolate girl, I will say that. But this is a dark tasting chocolate that I actually would really enjoy. Like, I could totally eat the rest of this, and I'm not always the biggest fan of dark chocolate. It smells way stronger of dark chocolate than it tastes, if that makes sense. Like, when I smell it, I'm like, ooh, that's dark chocolate. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but when I taste it, I'm like, ooh, like, this is a dark chocolate that I would eat. So I am pretty impressed, I will say. I'm wondering if the other flavors are gonna be the same exact, but just with the add-ins. Maybe, we'll see. But we'll do a quinoa crunch next, since this is his favorite. This was so interesting to me because I do like quinoa, but I cannot picture it in a candy bar. Usually I think of it in like a quinoa bowl or like a vegetable thing, you know, like chocolate that just seems a little weird. Oh, we have to scan it first though. Same deal as the first one, obviously, so I'm not gonna record it necessarily. But we have our second sticker. Here is the packaging of the second one, still super cute. I feel like this is the packaging I would guess for something like him. It's kind of wild, very like inviting and kind of like powerful. It's very fun, I should say. It's very fun. This bar does say there's 5 ingredients, so I'm guessing it's the same as the first, but the 5th ingredient is just the quinoa, which would make sense. All right, let's see if I want anything with my second try. All right, we're spinning the wheel. Congratulations, you won a mystery video. Click continue to watch. You guys want to watch it? I'll screen record it. Interesting. Okay, I didn't know this was an option.
It's funny.
Mr. Beast 6000, yeah, you'd his thumbnails were made in Feastables.
Love the fur coat. Okay, nice. Thanks. I just can't believe he's like my age. I never knew that. I just never knew that. Looks the same, clearly. We got the share and devour. However, the back of the bar, you can obviously tell it's crunch. It's not smooth. But again, I'm gonna break off the share side and give it a go. I don't know why, but I almost feel like this one tastes a little bit more sour than the original chocolate, which I feel like doesn't necessarily make sense because the chocolate part is the same ingredients. I do like the crunch. If you didn't tell me it was quinoa, I would have no idea, but I do wish there was more crunch to it. You know, like the Nestle Crunch bars, I feel like it's a lot of crunch. I would like more crunch out of this. I mean, otherwise it is good. Like, I will be finishing these bars, but I don't know. More crunch and I would be happier. I don't know. I don't understand the whole quinoa thing. But whatever he did, whatever they did, I mean, it did work well. Just increase the ratio, please. The quinoa bar is also 170 calories. I expected it to be more. And same serving size as well. Cute. Okay, well, let's just jump to the last one. It's like I don't have much to add on because when the ingredients are the same, you wouldn't expect the flavor to vary that much. I don't know. I just do think that one tastes a little bit more sour. Okay, and the packaging of the last one, super fun. Purple and yellow contrasting colors, we love it. And the back, super cute. This is cute though. Like, I love that he did this. I mean, I wouldn't expect anything less, but it's like the whole Charlie and the Chocolate Factory golden ticket type deal. It's exciting. It's like, I don't know, it's cute. My third one. Clearly I didn't pull a Charlie and win it on the first time. That's okay. However, I might be getting sent a free t-shirt. How cool would it be to own a Mr. Beast t-shirt? Pretty darn cool. Let's spin it. Congratulations, you won $5 off a Mr. Beast burger. You know, I will be grateful. Thank you so much. That is very kind. I don't know anything about his burgers though, so maybe I should be really excited. I don't know. You let me know. Maybe we'll try it out. Maybe I'll film that. If I do end up getting one, it will definitely be in a vlog somewhere, so I'll link that when the time comes. Oof, but we open up the almond chocolate. I stepped on it when I was arranging my setup here, so don't mind that it's already split in half. That was rude of me. I don't mean to disrespect the chocolate, but I did. So again, we do have the share and devour sides. Cute, cute. That is pretty adorable. Love that branding. Love that idea. And then obviously the back, you can see the almonds. So let's try it out. It is good, but just like the quinoa, I wish there was more almond to it. I feel like the topping is just a little bit lacking. This one is also 170 calories. I don't understand that. How can all three be 170 calories? Huh. I just think the quinoa and the almonds should change that. But I mean, I do like all three. I would agree with Mr. Beast that my favorite would be the crunch, but again, I just want more crunch. Otherwise, it is a great dessert. Like I said, it's very smooth. The texture's great. It's not that bad for you. And it's very just like satisfying. I feel like a little bit goes a long way. And that is a great thing with sweet treats. If I had to rank them, I'd probably go crunch, original, then almond. But that's mostly because I generally like the crunch the best, and like I'm not a huge fan of like nuts and chocolate compared to other things. But you know, otherwise, great job, Mr. Beast. Overall, everything, it's like the branding is great, the bars are cute, I mean, everything's so high quality, and then all the prizes and like fun stuff. You really can't rate this bad. I'm sorry, you just can't. And I'm not even like a Mr. Beast diehard fan, I just like know that he's wild. But I thought it'd be fun to try, review, comment any questions. I do feel like I hit all the areas that I needed to. I don't know, dreamy bars of chocolate. Dark chocolate, but not too soury, bitter dark. Definitely try these out. I will link his website. You can order them straight off the website. You can order them through GoPuff as well. Off the website, you can order them in packs. Otherwise, GoPuff does allow you to get the individual bars. Each of these just individually was $3.50, and I ordered them off GoPuff and they came in like a half an hour. So they were like stocked up and ready to go. Try them before they run out, if they will. I don't know, maybe you'll be a lucky winner. I love YouTube. I'm obsessed with YouTube. When I see this hot new thing, I had to try it. You know what I mean? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you next time.